Here's how to remove swipe up to unlock your iPhone. So here we can see I'm in my lock screen, and to unlock my iPhone I have to swipe up this shelter. To turn off this feature, simply go to your iPhone settings, tap on accessibility, tap on touch, and tap on back tap, and you can select double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select in double tap, and here select home, and then I'm going to my lock screen and double tapping on my iPhone backboard, and as you can see I'm in my home screen without swipe up. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.